Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Monday, the 11th of May. Let's have a look at cable now, where we've seen that little recovery again off the lows. Now, it's interesting that basically within the last 6 weeks or so, we've traded between 2160, 2645, so not a million miles off 500 pip trading band. You get these sort of phases of a week or so of rally, week or so correction, week or so of rally, a week or so of correction, and we've now just picked up off the lows again. 2265 was that low last week. If I can get my crosshair on it, there it is, 2265, a shade above the 2245 reaction low that we saw a couple of weeks prior to that. So it seems as though that this is just ranging at the moment. We've again been attracted back towards the 24 area, 24 figure. I should have that as 24 figure area, and you can see that on the hourly chart, where there or thereabouts it pretty much has turned around consistently on that since sort of mid-April really. You can see that 24 figure has been a key turning point on numerous occasions pretty much throughout that period. And breaking back underneath that this morning, we now start to edge a bit more negative again. And you've got this slight negative bias coming through once more on these momentum indicators, falling away RSI, MACDs and stochastics on the hourly. Nothing decisive that you'd take away from this. You'd probably still be saying, well, back towards the lows of the range. You'd argue 50% fib of the big sell-off is still an area where is a basis of support. So again, somewhere where you'd start to think about possible buying opportunities within the range that is. But momentum indicators are so neutrally configured, you'd still be playing this as a range. I think you can't suggest that just because it's falling away, it's going to be decisively falling below the 2265, 2245, or even 2160 mark. It just doesn't seem to be lacking any. It just seems to be lacking any real conviction and decisive outlook, so you'd be looking to continue to play the range in that with that regard. So underneath 2480, basis of resistance in the last couple of weeks, that has become Friday's high 2467, but underneath that 2480 mark is a slightly less positive outlook, certainly within the range, but essentially around this 24 figure pivot. So yeah, lack of certainty prevails. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website where you can sign up for our webinars.